Hello there. So we're finishing up. We're doing our Bolognese a la Elizabeth David. Not a tin of tomatoes or red wine in sight. Let's have a look at what we ended up with.
What's that then?
That's mine.
Oh, okay.
So what have we got here? Have a look at this.
Yums.
We've got minced beef, no minced pork, which would often be the case in a contemporary Bolognese. Some ham, some carrot, some celery, some onion, and some chicken liver. And we can't do smell-o-vision, but if you could actually smell that, you could smell the chicken liver. I've got a little sample here.
Oh, yeah, actually, that is actually nice.
Mmm.
Yeah, that is actually nice.
Absolutely, it's got a really earthy, homely taste to it. We also put a little bit of milk in there as well.
Yeah, baby.
So that's that really. So what we're going to do, we've got some pasta here. The funny thing about spaghetti bolognese is that we're going to come back to the idea of bolognese sauce and what's authentic. They don't generally put spaghetti in bolognese in Italy. But Elizabeth David does say you can do that.
Oh, well, thank you, Elizabeth.
And she does also suggest tagliatelle. I have a feeling that tagliatelle is actually the more legitimate version.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Can you nip down and come to the shop to get some of that?
Yeah. The funny thing about this is, if you remember when we started, I said the recipe was for 6 people.
Yeah.
And I was not all convinced. I was thinking this is like 6 people who are eating 7 years after post-war rationing had ended, because that's when the cookbook was done. Actually, I don't think it would do 6 people in modern times.
Is it because we're a bit more greedier than they were in the old
I'm not going to
days?
make value judgments like that, but let's have a big fat loving close-up on this. But actually, I think it could do 4 easily in today's money.
Challenge accepted.
So what we're going to do, we're going to serve this up. Like so, we've already tasted it, we already know it's good. So all we need to do now, we've got the sauce. All it requires now, big fat loving close-up on there. Thank you for watching, and here's to your good health.
Thanks, everyone.
Cheers.
Gorgeous.